A respected Somali elder was killed in a USA strike, and his clan is demanding justice. The US says the target was an Al-Shabaab weapons dealer. The Warsangali clan calls him a man of peace and wants compensation. Welcome to Somali Report. I am Muhammad Hassan. The elder, Aqil Umar Abdul Qadir Abdi, was killed on September 13th, 2025, near the village of Jan'anyo in northern Somalia's Senek region. He was traveling toward Badan at the time. US Africa Command says the airstrike targeted an Al-Shabaab weapons dealer and was coordinated with Somalia's federal government. Warsangali clan leaders rejected this, describing the elder as a religious man devoted to peace. Sultan Saeed Abdisalan, the current leader of the ancient Warsangali Sultanate, a once powerful medieval Somali kingdom, said, and I quote, "We expect Magdaw compensation from those responsible and anyone involved." Local police found no criminal record or extremist links for the elder. Investigators confirmed he was traveling alone when killed. The strike escalates tensions in a historic region that once hosted a 600-year-old kingdom. Its 20th leader, Muhammad Ali Shire, was exiled to the Seychelles by the British in 1920 for his strong resistance to colonial rule. He joined other prominent African leaders in exile, including King Prempeh of Ashanti of Ghana, King Kabarego of Bunyoro of Uganda, and former Egyptian Prime Minister Said Saqqalul Pasha. Analysts warn that unresolved civilian deaths could undermine local cooperation with federal and US forces. The Warsangali clan is demanding accountability, either provide evidence of the elder's alleged guilt or admit the killing was wrongful and provide compensation. US Africa Command and Somali federal officials did not immediately respond to requests for the comment on the police report or the compensation demands. That's all from Somali Report for now. I am Muhammad Hassan.